Hello and welcome. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own printable calendars, the 12 months printable calendar that you can print and then sell or use. So I've just written make a 12 month calendar, and Google has brought me some of the best suggestions we can use to generate our calendar. So I've gone through some of the websites and some of the tools that you can use. However, I found that the best one that you can use at the moment is Microsoft Create. So when we go to Microsoft Create, we shall be able to create our calendar. So let's go to Microsoft Create and see what we can do about it. If you just need that personal calendar or you want to sell calendars, you can go ahead, grab this online tool and then generate your own calendars, customize them in the best way you want, and then download them and print. So once you get to Microsoft, log in, you can simply log in with your Google account. And as you can see here, we have free printable calendar templates that you can customize and then print direct from this website or download them and print them offline. You can as well customize them to meet your desires. So there are two options. You can either create from scratch or you can use the readily available templates. So let's go through some of the templates that are available. Let me look at this. And let's click on customize and see if we can make more changes on it. So this is one of the best ready-made template that shows month by month. So this is for January. Let's click for February. And as you can see, they already have images inserted. And if you're not comfortable with the image, you can click on it and then upload yours. So as you can see, we have all the months running from January to December. And here's the last month of the year. If you're comfortable with this, now you can download this if you want page by page calendar. Now let's go back to other templates, and I wish to get a template that has all in one, all the 12 months under one page. So I'll go with this and let me see it. And then I'll go to customize. So here is our calendar. You can make some changes on this calendar. And let me delete this. And that's what I want. This can be printed into various sizes. You can make this to be your office calendar, print it on a hardcover, and place it on your desk. So I think it's perfect. So I'll go ahead and download it. To download it, just go to File and click on Save As, and then select Download a copy to your computer. And here it is. So it is here. Let me open it. And then we click on Enable Editing. Our calendar is ready for printing and usage. Now, the only drawback from these Microsoft calendars is that holidays are not indicated on our months. You can make customization if you need to indicate dates or holidays. For instance, as you can see, I've marked this with red. And if you have another month that you want to indicate, you can go ahead and do so. And you can, in fact, make them bolder like that. So you can customize it and place the holidays or mark the holidays manually before you print your calendar. And once you have done so, you'll be good to go. So this is some of the ways we can customize our calendar. As simple as this. And that is it. So as you can see now, we have a ready to use calendar that you can print. Now, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. And if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.